Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make banana stem soup. This is a very healthy and delicious recipe too. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. To a pan, add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on high throughout the process. Then add half cup of chopped banana stem. Chop them into big chunks and soak them in buttermilk or a bowl of water mixed with 2 teaspoons of curd so that they don't change color. Then goes in half cup of shallots, a bunch of curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice mix and let this cook for 10 minutes until the banana stem is completely done. Mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour in half cup of water and add it to the soup. The soup will start to thicken up. At this stage, heat a tablespoon of oil in a seasoning pan and add half teaspoon of chili powder. Keep the flame in low and give it a nice mix. Mix for a few seconds until the raw flavor of the chili powder goes off. Now add this directly to the soup and mix it well. The soup is nicely boiling and is in perfect consistency, so off the flame and serve it right away. Very healthy recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel.
Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.